Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Nur Auni binti Adam and my matrix number is AE180055. So today I would like to present about our subject, which is BEJ30701 Engineering Practices, which is the experiment circuit design and PCB layout. And our lecturer name is Encik Muhammad Jaiz bin Chesto. And we are from section 4 and group 8. So our aim and objective for this experiment is to provide knowledge in designing a circuit layout for printed circuit board PCB, and our objective have two, which is to study method of design PCB using Proteus ARES, and the second one is to develop a layout for PCB circuit. Next, I will do the schematic circuit in Capture ISIS. So this is our view in Proteus. So this is ISIS, capture in ISIS. So the component that we use is 2N3904, cap elect, cell, and mine resistant R, and veropin. For LED BIBY and LED BIGY, we will be exchange it with the veropin. So at here, as you can see, the 2N3904, which is Q2, will be connect with the C1, and this C1 will be connect at R2, and R2 is 5K, and it was the same value with R3, and also R1 will be connect at the C1, the junction between the Q2 and C1, and then R1 will be connect on R2. So as we can see, this veropin, we already changed the name into LED1 because we need exchange to the dummy component, and then LED1 minus will be connect at this, and this one will be connect on this pin, and this pin will be connect on the battery, and Q1 will be connect on this, and Q2 will be connect on the C2, and we drag the wire, and then R3 will be connect on this C2, and this will be connect on this, R4 will connect this, and it connected with the Q1. For the arrow, we connect at the above, at the below, and the ground we connect on this, and this R3 so we will compare it to our document. So here, so you see, it's same with our Proteus. So this is the how we look the schematic, attach the schematic, and for the name we will create with the 2D graphic text mode. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Iliana binti Muhammad Ilyas, CE180089. So in my part, I'm going to present about a layout schematic before routing. So in previous lab 1, we are doing this circuit, which is 4 resistor, 2 capacitor, 2 transistor, 2 LED, and 1 battery. But in this lab 2, in order to draw the PCB layout, we have to replace the LED, the 2 LED and battery with a Vero pin, which is we can search in pick device for Vero pin, and then single Vero pin terminal, simulator model will appear, and then click OK. Okay, so I have replaced the LED 1 with positive negative, LED 2 negative positive, and also for the battery positive negative. So how to draw in a PCB board? So click in PCB Layout. So all the component list in schematic capture will be appear in the component list also in PCB Layout. So firstly, um, we have to build a PCB board. So click 2D graphic box mode. Oh, sorry. 2D graphic mode, and then for board edge. So this yellow line is our board PCB board. So all the component we can view for the entire board. So it will be easier for us to place the component. So how to replace, how to import all the component in our PCB board? Click on Tool, Auto Placer, and all the component is listed down here, and then click All, OK. So the component will display in this PCB board. So then zoom in. Oh, sorry. Okay, we can check one by one if you want to. So this is our resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3, 4, battery, LED, transistor, capacitor, and so on. So now we have to arrange the components so it will be look neat on the PCB board. So as for the, oh sorry, click on the cursor selection mode. For the transistor with transistor, capacitor with capacitor. Okay, let's say here. So okay, we can arrange the component where we want it to be. So to rotate right click and then rotate anti-clockwise. And then for the battery, the transistor, rotate. Okay. So then the LED one, okay, let's just put here, and then this is for LED 1 and LED 2, right click, anti-clockwise, and then this is LED 1, right click, anti-clockwise, this is LED 2. Then this is our R1, R2, anti-clockwise, R1, R2 is here, R3 and R4. And then for the battery, positive, negative. So here, so here is our LED 1, LED 2, battery, transistor, capacitor, and also for the resistor. You can see here it will be more neat if you want to view in a PCB board. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nulia Narani binti Ahmad Karan, DE190073. I'm from Group A for Section 4. And this my part want to attach a layout circuit in various arrays after routing. This is before routing. And we want to route the circuit, we click the button of Design Rule Manager, and then we click the net classes, and then we click the net classes of power and set the thread style. Whatever you want the value, it's up to you, and I put T30 and next style T30, and then make sure the horizontal of the layer assignment, we have to choose bottom copper. Okay, go to signal, and we have to change the rotten style, thread style to 30, and next style I choose T17, and make sure the layer assignment of this one is bottom copper, and click OK. Make sure you have arranged it before you run the auto router. Okay, click this button of auto router, and then we didn't have to change the value at the shape based auto router, and just click begin routing and wait for a minute. The router is in auto step. Okay, you got this layout circuit after routing, and we have to check at the 3D visualizer, and we get like this. For the next step, we have to put our name. Just click the 2D graphic text mode here and set your name. Okay, and we have to change the height, and the font we have to choose for ourselves. Okay, just click OK and put your name at the bottom of the circuit, and the name be like this. And we have to go to 3D visualizer to check out. Okay, your name will be like this too. Okay, make sure it's in the right upper side that can you read your name. And you can see here there is no crisis error or DRC error. Okay, so routing of the circuit is a good condition. Okay, for the next step, we have to insert the line in the insert of the yellow line, and we have to click the 3D graphic box mode. Okay, you want to insert box, put like this, and you will get a blue box here, and we want to look to the 3D visualizer, and the box we get like this. Okay, that line, or we can make a good of the circuit board, and we can cut here to get a minimize of the size of the box. Okay, for the next step, we have to go to the we want to check the output of the circuit. If have another error or another issues, we have to click the output, and then we click the generate global excellent file, and this one the instruction that which we have to run the pre-production check or not. So this one we have to run and to check the pre-production. Click yes, and we wait for a while that the progress still running. For this one is already finished, the run of the pre-production in auto. Okay, and we can see here the test of the connectivity is passed, object validity passed, and this another step of in the circuit, which that the circuit have an overlap or not, the detector or detector is very in considering. Okay, in processing image and everything. For the thing that we have to look this one. Okay, there is no error, there is no fail, and there is no warning, and 17 pass. And then we close and we have to click for the bottom copper, the anodis we don't want. Okay, and we just click the drill and bottom copper. Okay, and this one just click for the CAD cam global and select output, just click bottom copper and drill and click OK. We want to save our project in PDF. Okay, for the next step, we want to look up the output of our circuit after we routing. We just click the output and then we select the generate global or Excel file, and then we have to choose a bottom copper only, and another we have to unselect. Okay, and this one we choose a drill only. Okay, we have to run global viewer when done. Yes, click here and click OK. Okay, delete one of more setting. Yes. Okay, we can see here the step processing that the data of CAD cam. Okay, it will appear the global view. Okay, we'll see where the location of the file, the format, and the layers that we choose just now. It will appear like this, and just click OK. Okay, this one the global viewer. Okay, this is a rotation, and then we go to the output again, and we export the graphic in PDF file. Click here, and we have to select the bottom only. Another we check is possible, and then we click a mirror. We want to save. This is the output to file and click OK. The view of in the PDF will appear like this. Okay, this is correct. We have to do a comparison. Okay, this is a normal view, and this is a mirror view. We have to get like this. That's all from me. Thank you.